Hi everyone! Today we have a hot new smartphone on review. The latest flagship delivers unrivaled camera, design, AI and powerful performance. This is a new era of smartphone innovation. This is Zenfone 11 Ultra. Now let's see what innovative features this new Zenfone has to offer. Let's go! First things first, Zenfone 11 Ultra marks an important switch to a larger form factor that provides more of everything, packaging a better camera system, a stronger processor and a bigger battery into a meticulously designed chassis. Zenfone 11 Ultra is available in a choice of 4 colors, inspired by different landscapes around the world. The popular classics, Skyline Blue and Eternal Black, reflect the blue day and black night skies of Scandinavia, while Misty Grey and Desert Sands are inspired by foggy mornings and breathtaking dunes, respectively. The phone's back cover features a mirror finish ASUS 3rd anniversary logo on a matte finish for a premium feel and maximum holding comfort. By the way, this phone weighs only 224 grams. But Zenfone 11 Ultra is not just strong and stylish, it's also eco-friendly. This Zenfone was designed with sustainability in mind, using recycled materials. The phone's frame is made of 100% recycled aluminum and its display is composed of over 1/5 recycled glass. We have also managed a 94% reduction in plastic use for the packaging by relying on wrapping paper for the phone and the cable. Zenfone 11 Ultra features a beautiful 6.78-inch AMOLED display with 144 Hz refresh rate, and it's further enhanced by Pixelworks technology. Therefore, we are treated to vibrant visuals that come to life with low-temperature polycrystalline oxide (LTPO). The LTPO technology provides lower power consumption and precise control over each pixel, making it ideal choice for smartphones and other devices where energy efficiency and image quality are both crucial. The screen has a peak brightness of 2500 candles per square meter. Zenfone 11 Ultra is a real powerhouse, driven by the flagship Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 mobile platform. This cutting-edge platform enables seamless operation for any task, from intensive gaming sessions to multitasking with ease. With high-performance 16GB RAM and 512GB of internal storage, users can rely on a robust device capable of handling AI tasks effortlessly and offering smooth gameplay and immersive graphics. Thanks to a remarkably powerful efficient Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 and other components, as well as a bigger 5500 mAh battery capacity compared to its predecessor, we have improved Zenfone 11 Ultra's battery life by 26.5%. This enhancement ensures that users can enjoy uninterrupted usage for extended periods of time. Supporting more than 26 hours of regular use, Zenfone 11 Ultra sets a new standard for endurance in the smartphone industry. The phone has also been upgraded to include 65 watts hypercharge capability for maximum charging performance, allowing users to power up their devices quickly and efficiently. For added convenience, Zenfone 11 Ultra supports wireless charging via any Qi-compatible wireless charger. Zenfone 11 Ultra offers advanced AI features and leverages the powerful on-device AI performance of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 to redefine the way users engage with their devices. With AI noise cancellation capabilities powered by machine learning techniques, the phone ensures crystal clear audio quality in all scenarios, be it phone calls, instant messaging calls, or in-game communication. Also, the device introduces AI call translator, enable instant speech-to-text conversion and translation into the user's preferred language. By leveraging sophisticated AI models, Zenfone 11 Ultra comprehends contextual nuances, facilitating seamless communication across language barriers. The translation is then converted into clear voice output, enhancing comprehension and connectivity for users worldwide. I think it's really cool, a really helpful feature for any user. Next, the AI wallpaper feature empowers users to craft personalized wallpapers effortlessly based on 6 different style directions. With just a few prompts and an exclusive AI algorithm, you can create unique backgrounds to reflect your style and personality and add a touch of individuality to your device. Another revolutionary feature is called AI Transcript. Powered by advanced AI technology, it offers real-time transcription while using the Recorder app both while recording and from existing voice files. Using the built-in Recorder tool, it allows you to easily capture and save transcripts. That's just great. Zenfone 11 Ultra transforms file management with semantic search. Thanks to multimodal learning, users can search for gallery photos and install apps using keywords. This intuitive feature understands natural language commands, supporting multiple languages and offline functionality. It's integrated into the settings for easy access, streamlining user experience while setting up the phone. And of course, with the ASUS Glide X utility, users can stream apps from the phones to other devices like PC monitors or laptop displays. This tool simplifies file transfers, enhances conference calls, and consolidates device control. Mirroring your phone screen on your PC allows you to enjoy media with family, friends, and colleagues. And now let's take a look at the cameras and their capabilities. They are an important aspect of every smartphone. The camera system in the Zenfone 11 Ultra stands out as extraordinary, refining smartphone photography and videography. The 50 megapixels camera is supported by advanced features like a 6-axis hybrid gimbal stabilizer 3.0, super hyper steady video stabilization, and also audio-powered 3D surround sound recording. These elements combine to deliver unparalleled stabilization and audio quality, setting new standards in smartphone imaging technology. Stability is improved through the third-generation 6-axis hybrid gimbal stabilizer. This innovative technology ensures that videos remain blur-free and shake-free, even when the phone is in motion, so we can effortlessly capture professional quality shots. Complementing the hardware advancements, the Zenfone 11 Ultra introduces various software tweaks to further enhance its imaging capabilities. AI Portrait Video Mode offers a depth of field effect, adding a professional aesthetic to videos, while manual focus adjustments grants users creative control over the visual narrative. AI support further enhanced the user experience, introducing features like hyperclarity and AI Object Sense, which help to take realistic images and capture every live moment. Hyperclarity, activated during zooming, significantly increases image clarity through deep learning models, reconstructing images and adding details based on AI recognition. Additionally, the 32 megapixels front camera boasts improved low light performance and a wider angle, ensuring stunning selfies even in challenging environments. Of course, the smartphone features a full selection of sensors, including an accelerometer, e-compass, proximity and ambient light sensors, fingerprint on display, gyroscope and the Hall sensor. It supports Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4, and the various satellite and navigation systems such as Beidou, GPS, GNSS, GLONASS, GZSS and nav-IC. The smartphone also has a 3.5mm connector for headsets and an NFC model. So the unveiling of the Zenfone 11 Ultra marks a significant milestone in smartphone innovation. It's the perfect fusion of cutting-edge technology, sustainable design and unparalleled performance. Through a meticulous blend of premium design, camera capabilities, AI-driven features and extended battery life, Zenfone 11 Ultra sets a new standard for what users can expect from a flagship smartphone in 2024 and beyond. In the Zenfone 11 Ultra, every detail is crafted to enhance the user experience and make a positive impact on the world. And now I'm going to tell you goodbye and see you soon. Thanks for watching. This is Nikita here, and we have a lot of the incredible and the unexplored ahead of us. Stay tuned.